Tired of FC24 looking like it's being played on a potato? Let's transform your visual experience by diving into the graphics settings. From the FC24 main menu, navigate to the Customize tab. It's usually located towards the right side of your screen, represented by a gear or settings icon. Once you're in the Customize menu, select Settings. This will bring you to a new screen with various game settings options. Now, look for Video Settings and click on it. This is where the magic happens. You'll find a range of options to tweak your graphics. First, let's adjust the display mode. Full screen usually offers the best performance, but if you like quickly switching between FC24 and other applications, borderless windowed might be your preference. Experiment to see what works best for you. Next up, resolution. This determines the sharpness of your game. Choose the highest resolution that your monitor supports for the best visual clarity, but be mindful of your PC's capabilities. Lower resolutions can improve performance on less powerful systems. Now, for the big one, rendering quality. This setting has the most significant impact on both visuals and performance. Start with high and see how your game runs. If you experience lag, lower it to medium or even low if your PC can handle it. Try ultra for maximum visual fidelity. You can turn on the dynamic resolution scale if you want to prioritize frame rate over resolution and clarity. Anti-aliasing smooths out jagged edges, making the game look cleaner. Experiment with different anti-aliasing settings like TAA to find a balance between visual quality and performance. And that's it. By adjusting these graphics settings, you can fine-tune FC24 to achieve the perfect balance between performance and visual quality for your system. Now get out there and enjoy the beautiful game.